Welcome to the weather forecast bulletin for the UK over the next 5 days. Before diving into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell for updates. Regarding the forecast for the last day of this month, which is tomorrow, Wednesday, January 31st, generally the sky will be cloudy in most areas and towns, due to the influence of the southern wall of an Icelandic low-pressure system passing north of the UK. Additionally, rain is expected in almost all regions and cities, but with varying amounts and intensities. Rainfall will be heavier in the north and decrease as we move south. The latest ECMWF numerical forecast indicates that the northwestern and central areas in Scotland, as well as the northwestern islands, will experience the heaviest rainfall. Some areas there may receive 20, 30, 40, or even 50 millimeters of rain. Overall, rain will be moderate in the rest of Scotland and the rest of Northern and Western Islands, Northern Ireland, and the northern half of England and Wales. In contrast, rainfall will be light, measuring less than 5 millimeters, in the southern half of England. There is also a chance of some snowfall, ranging from weak to moderate, in the northwest and central parts of Scotland, specifically in Braemar, Clover, Aviemore, Tomoton, Kinusey, Dalwhinnie, Bridge of Balgie, Killin, Fort Augustus, Tomich, Fort William, Acknashon, Shieldaig, Stromfurry, Malaig, Glynelg, Lochalort, Tobermory, Lochinver, Ullapool, Paulbane, Lade, Gairloch, Scurry, Kinlochbervie, Durness, Betty Hill, Melvick and Thurso. On the other hand, please be cautious as strong winds with speeds ranging from 70 to 110 km per hour are expected in Scotland, the Northern and Western Isles, Northern Ireland, and Northern England and North Wales. Here's a look at tomorrow's maximum temperatures in some areas. 8 degrees in Lerwick, Thurso, and Skirinish, 7 degrees in Port of Ness, Ballyvannick, and Aberdeen, 6 in Inverness, 7 in Glasgow and Sunderland, 9 degrees in Newry, Douglas, and Liverpool, 6 in Hull and also Birmingham, 10 degrees in St David's and Plymouth, 8 in Norwich, and 9 degrees in London and Bristol. There will be a chance of sunny weather and clear skies for enthusiasts of sunny days during Thursday, February 1st in Wales and England, especially in the southern half of England. Meanwhile, the sky will generally remain cloudy in other areas, with some light to moderate rain continuing in the northern half of Scotland, the Northern and Western Isles. As for the period from Friday, February 2nd to Sunday, February 4th, the sky will be mostly cloudy most of the time in most regions and towns, meaning there won't be any opportunity for sunny weather. Light rain will persist in scattered parts of the country, especially in Scotland, most of the Northern and Western Isles, Northern Ireland, Wales, and Northern England. Temperatures will rise by 2 to 4 degrees compared to tomorrow, Wednesday, and next Thursday. And now, here is the accumulation of rainfall over the next 5 days, but we will only mention the rainfall accumulation for the regions that will experience higher amounts, meaning we won't list all accumulations and all areas. Between 20 and 60 millimeters in Melvick, Betterhill, Durness, Scurry, Kinlochbervie, Lochinver, Lairg, Rosehall, Ullapool, Paulbane, Lade, Drumbeg, Stour, Dundonald, Kinlochie, Acknashon, Torridon, Strathgarin, Diabarg, Shieldaig, Stromfurry, Malaig, Glynelg, Gairloch, Tomich, Fort Augustus, Fort William, Ballachulish, Tindrum, Inverary, Port Appin, Strontian, Lochalort, Tobermory, Oban, Kinloch, Satran, Broadford, Portree, Stornoway, Port of Ness, Ardroyle and Tarbert. Between 10 and 30 millimeters in areas: Thurso, Kinbrace, Golspie, Alness, Inverness, Aviemore, Grantown-on-Spey, Tomoton, Kinusey, Dalwhinnie, Bridge of Balgie, Braemar, Killin, Pitlochry, Aberfeldy, Cowlander, Garaloched, Loch Gilphead, Craobhaven, Skirinish, Bunessan, Bowmore, Scalasag, Lochraza, Greenock, Aberfoyle, Glasgow, Aberystwyth, Tywyn, Machynlleth, Pontrydd Fendigade, Llangadfan, Kirkwall, Stonerbreck, Lerwick, and Baltersound.